Is your washing machine blocked or showing up an error code for a blockage? Let's have a look at the main causes. Unplug your machine. We're going to go to the back. There's two pipes at the back. We're not dealing with your water pipe today. We're looking at the drain pipe. The first thing I want to check is if there's a blockage in the drainage. Now, there could be a blockage in the plumbing, but I deal with washing machines, so we're dealing with the washing machine side today. Check the drain pipe. Is there a blockage in the drain pipe? It could be a cap on the end of your plumbing if you've just moved into the house. Dirtbag engineer moment, I'm blowing into the drain pipe to check for a blockage. If that's clear, I'm going to tilt the machine back. I'm going to struggle to take the plinth off of the machine. And there we've got the drain filter. Get your bucket. You're going to want to unscrew the drain filter. You're going to want to do this slowly to let the water release as slow as possible so you don't flood your kitchen. Check for a blockage. Is there something blocking the pump itself? And then, is there a blockage in the sump? So if it's still not working, we're going to check under the sump now. This is your sump here. Get your bucket because there's going to be water in the sump. You're going to want to identify where the clip is next to the drain pump. Take the clip off, and then because there's water in, have your bucket ready and drop the water straight into the bucket. Is the blockage there in the sump? Pop it all back together, test your machine, the job's a good one.